Hello, and welcome to our channel Tech Titans. In this video, you will come across the best smart thermostats on the market for 2020. Let's find out the list of the latest and most advanced programmable thermostats that will help you make an enormous impact, not only making you comfortable but also on your household budget. Our review will cover design, properties, supporting technologies, and everything you need to know to choose your best thermostat that can anticipate your need to turn your HVAC system on or off automatically to provide you the most comfortable indoor climate control. Be sure to watch until the end for complete insight. If you like our video, be sure to hit the subscribe button and click the bell. Also, don't forget to press like, and we welcome your comments. We will start our review with the Ecobee Smart Thermostat, named the best smart thermostat by Tom's Guide. Named as the best smart thermostat by Tom's Guide, the Ecobee Smart Thermostat provides enhanced comfort, where it counts. The Ecobee Smart Thermostat includes SmartSensor to keep important rooms comfortable, by adjusting your thermostat based on occupancy and temperature. With Ecobee Alexa built-in, you can smoothly handle your life, by asking for the weather, music, and more. The Smart Thermostat is engineered for enhanced energy savings. You can save annually on your heating or cooling costs. Even the Eco Plus free software works to maximize the efficiency of this smart thermostat further. You can easily install the thermostat by yourself in 45 minutes, or less with video walkthroughs and a step-by-step guide on the Ecobee app. With Alexa built-in and an intuitive mobile app, you can control your thermostat at home using your voice, phone, tablet, computer, or Apple Watch. A smart thermostat engineered for your smart home, the Ecobee Smart Thermostat has a crisp glass finish, vivid touch display, powerful quad-core processor, dual-band Wi-Fi, and far-field voice. Ecobee Smart Thermostat offers you the experience of enhanced comfort, increased savings, and advanced control. Up next, we have Honeywell Lyric T5 designed to work with your existing system's heating stages. A thermostat that fits your life. It's none other than the Honeywell Smart Thermostat. With an optional power adapter included, it is easy to install and fits discreetly near your heating and cooling system. The T5 Plus thermostat is easy to install, even without a C-wire, and features a simple, user-friendly interface. You can control and monitor the Honeywell usage from anywhere, by using your smartphone or tablet, and integrate it entirely with your smart home. Geofence technology makes use of your smartphone's location, to know when you're away and when you return. The Honeywell Smart Thermostat is compatible with Apple HomeKit, Amazon Alexa, and Google Assistant. The Honeywell fan operation is customized to circulate more or less air, as needed, to keep air moving throughout your home. The T5 provides smart response alerts, by learning your home's heating and cooling cycles, to deliver the optimal temperature at the right time. Honeywell's push notifications remind you to change your filter, and warn you of extreme indoor temperatures. The thermostat automatically determines if your home needs heating or cooling, to provide maximum comfort. The Honeywell Home app for iOS and Android enables you to control the T5 Plus smart thermostat from anywhere, letting you monitor your system, when you are away to minimize wasted energy and money. If you search for a thermostat that offers intelligent comfort control to determine if your home needs heating or cooling automatically, Honeywell Lyric T5 is there for your rescue. The next best thermostat we present to you is the LuxGeo Honeywell Home T9 Smart Thermostat, which senses the temperatures in the places that matter most. Sense the temperatures in the places that matter most, with the Honeywell T9 Smart Thermostat. You can either choose the temperature in a specific room, depending upon your wish using this smart thermostat. The smart room sensors of T9 automatically detect which places people are in, and focus comfort where it matters automatically. The battery-powered smart room sensors utilize unique Honeywell Home technology to deliver an efficient signal up to 200 feet. T9 Smart Thermostat also facilitates multi-room focus. This smart thermostat learns your home's heating and cooling patterns to deliver the right temperature at the right time, and sends you filter and temperature alerts. With the Honeywell Home app, using geofencing, the T9 knows when you're coming and going. You can adjust your thermostat from anywhere with your mobile device, or let your home automatically react to your schedule with Auto Home or Auto Away scheduling. Control the T9 Smart Thermostat however you want, using the Honeywell Home app or through Amazon Alexa, Google Assistant, Microsoft Cortana, Samsung SmartThings, and more. With guided installation, the whole T9 setup is simple. Honeywell T9 Smart Thermostat responds to your lifestyle, helping save energy when you leave and preparing that ideal temperature. LuxGeo Honeywell Home T9 Smart Thermostat lets you adjust the temperature from anywhere and focus on rooms based on occupancy or a specific schedule you choose. The next most wanted thermostat on our list is the Nest Learning Thermostat, featuring a self-learning programmable interface to schedule your indoor climate, ensuring maximum savings. Google Nest Thermostat is a smart programmable thermostat that learns your schedule and the temperatures you like, and programs itself to help you save energy and stay comfortable. The Nest Thermostat is compatible with 95% of heating and cooling systems, and most people can install it in 30 minutes or less. The Nest Thermostat is beautifully designed with polished metal finishes and bright high-resolution display. This smart thermostat works with the Nest temperature sensor to ensure a particular room is in the exact temperature you want it to be. As the thermostat programs by itself, it automatically adjusts and adapts to your daily lives and schedules. The Home Away Assist automatically adjusts itself to an eco temperature after leaving, so you do not heat or cool an empty home. With energy history, you can check your phone to see how much energy you used, or use Quick View on the thermostat's display to reach energy history settings, or your schedule. You have the provision to adjust the temperature on the Nest app, or with your voice using a smart speaker or display from anywhere. The thermostat even works with Alexa and Google Assistant, so you can adjust the temperature with your voice. As the Nest Learning Thermostat has saved billions of kilowatt hours of energy, it is the best and beautiful way to save energy. If you are searching for a thermostat that automatically adjusts and adapts to your daily lives and schedules, Nest Learning Thermostat is the right choice. The next best thermostat on our list is the award-winning Emerson Sensi Wi-Fi programmable thermostat that keeps you connected, no matter where you go or what the day brings. Being the editor's choice best overall smart thermostat by USA Today's Review.com, Emerson Sensi Touch Wi-Fi Smart Thermostat gives you a smart home. Designed to work with HVAC equipment in most homes, Sensi mobile app guides you through each step of the DIY installation process. The installation process takes only about 30 minutes, making it the best easy to install smart thermostat. This smart thermostat works with Amazon Alexa, Google Assistant, Apple HomeKit, and Samsung SmartThings smart home platforms. You can remotely control your home comfort from your smartphone or tablet, using the Sensi mobile app for Android and iOS devices. You can also monitor the current day and historical heating, cooling, and fan runtimes using the Sensi app. With the thermostat circulating fan, the air circulation improves the indoor air quality by regulating temperature. Sensi features smart alerts to help detect extreme temperature and humidity levels in your home. By adjusting the temperature using flexible scheduling, remote access, and geofencing in the Sensi thermostat, you can save more energy. The Sensi Touch Wi-Fi Smart Thermostat puts comfort control at your fingertips, whether you are at home or on the go. If you are looking for a thermostat designed to function seamlessly with your phone to offer comfort control on your terms, go for Emerson Sensi Wi-Fi Programmable Thermostat. Now, we have Google Nest Thermostat E that maintains a room's exact temperature in the way you want it to be. A smart programmable thermostat that helps you save energy and keeps you comfortable. It's the Google Nest Thermostat E. This smart thermostat is engineered to fit any home, with a frosted display blended into the background. With easy installation, typically in 60 minutes or less, the Nest thermostat is compatible with 95% heating and cooling systems. This thermostat works with the Nest temperature sensor to maintain a room's exact temperature in a way you want it to be. If you choose an energy-saving temperature, you would be rewarded with a leaf on your Nest thermostat display. The Nest thermostat turns itself down while you are away to save energy. It consists of Home Away Assist that automatically adjusts itself to an eco temperature after leaving a particular area. The remote control feature lets family members change the smart thermostat's temperature from anywhere using a phone, laptop, or tablet. The Nest thermostat also works with Alexa, Google Assistant, and other smart speakers, so you can adjust the temperature with your voice. With Google Nest Thermostat E, you will find it much more comfortable to save energy. Google Nest Thermostat E efficiently manages to keep you comfortable and cares for your savings. Coming up, we have LuxKono Smart Thermostat that focuses on comfort, personalization, and designed to deliver you the best comfort. A universal Wi-Fi thermostat, best for HomeKit users, Kono Smart Thermostat lets you personalize comfort, decor, and savings. Kono Smart Thermostat comes with a gorgeous black stainless cover. The Smart Thermostat uses the cloud to work with popular voice assistants, including Amazon Alexa, Google Assistant, and Apple HomeKit. The thermostat has a home and away-aware geofencing feature for effortless savings. The Smart Thermostat has smart scheduling with a utility cost estimator. There are free iOS and Android apps are available for the Kono thermostat to assist with easy scheduling and remote access to adjust the temperature, schedule, and fan. The Kono Smart Thermostat uses the cloud to work with significant voice assistants, including Amazon Alexa, Google Assistant, and Apple HomeKit. The Smart Thermostat uses forced air, gas, oil, electric furnaces, and AC units with a C-wire connection. Featured by LuxKono Smart Thermostat can be controlled from anywhere. If you are looking for a thermostat with numerous smart features to adjust your comfort and savings, go for LuxKono Smart Thermostat. We hope you loved all the top smart thermostats on our list featured till now. Coming up, we have Bosch Connected Control BCC100 Thermostat, which follows a user-defined schedule for comfort on demand from anywhere. You can save energy and money with the Bosch Alexa and Google Home Connected Control Wi-Fi Thermostat. The full-color 5-inch thermostat display touchscreen allows easy scheduling to provide the most energy-efficient and comfortable temperature for your home. The Bosch touchscreen's navigation makes setting default preferences easy and adjusting for new environments. Both comfort setting and intuitive scheduling of Bosch make it easy for you to choose a temperature for different times of the day. The Alexa-enabled, internet-connected programmable thermostat simply connects to Wi-Fi to control temperature and settings from your smartphone or tablet. You can even access your local weather forecast from your smart thermostat. The Bosch thermostat is compatible with the majority of HVAC systems on the market. The C-wire is used to provide power to the thermostat, and is available on most HVAC systems today with 3 or more wires. Bosch Connected Control is the perfect solution to help you achieve maximum comfort with minimum effort. Bosch Connected Control BCC100 Thermostat is an excellent choice to help you achieve maximum comfort and energy efficiency with minimum effort. Coming up, we feature Misa Smart Thermostat, which is the only smart thermostat that lets you take full control of your electric heat. The Misa Smart Thermostat is built for line voltage electric heat. The Misa is compatible with electric baseboard heaters, electric fan forced heaters, self-contained hydronic baseboard heaters, and in-ceiling radiant heaters. Misa helps you stay in control of how and when you heat your home from anywhere in the world, using your smartphone or tablet. Misa has an easy 15-minute installation. The setup wizard helps you connect the thermostat to your Wi-Fi network, and then you move on to programming a heating routine. As there are both scheduling and geofencing features, you can have full comfort at home when using this smart thermostat. You can group multiple Misas into heating zones, and control them together through the Misa app. Misa Smart Thermostat works with Alexa, Google Assistant, and Apple HomeKit. The most striking aspect of Misa's product is its clean white design, with a minimalist dot matrix display and capacitive touch-sensitive buttons. You can have a smart home with Misa's premium look and the sleek design. Misa Smart Thermostat is the ultimate smart thermostat for high voltage and floor heat designed from the ground up for your comfort. Now, we have our final product. Let's take a look at the LuxGeo Wi-Fi Thermostat, an easy to install, easy to use smart thermostat. With its attractive design and soft curves, LuxGeo has both brains and beauty. The large display, control wheel interface, and free Android iOS app of the thermostat offer intuitive functionality online and at the device. Besides, this universal system compatible thermostat offers 3 power options like 2 AA lithium batteries, a micro USB, or the C-wire. The LuxGeo has an easy installation and a good Wi-Fi connection. You can connect the thermostat via Wi-Fi with free mobile apps. The smart thermostat features radius geofencing that saves energy with your schedule. Hence, LuxGeo can tell your system when you are close to home. You can also mount the thermostat either horizontally or vertically according to your preference. The thermostat has high or low temp and device offline alerts, paving the way to a smart home. This 7-day programmable thermostat can be used with or without Wi-Fi. Be ready to experience the smart thermostat packed with various features, with LuxGeo Smart Thermostat. With its attractive and affordable design, LuxGeo Wi-Fi Thermostat is loaded with features to help you stay comfortable and save money, whether you're home or away. Thank you for watching our list of best smart thermostats of 2020. These are not only the best but also the most improbable thermostats that will learn your daily routine and create heating and cooling schedules accordingly. Be sure to check the links of all products in the description below, so you can have a detailed look and purchase your preferred smart thermostats. If you like our video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click the bell. Be sure to like and comment on your thoughts below.